Hi there, this is Pedro from Investing in the Web, and in this video I will help you invest in the S&P 500 on the Trading 212 platform. So the first thing that you need to do is to actually open a Trading 212 account and to deposit funds. In this case I'm using my personal account and I'm using the web app. So if you are using the mobile app, it's pretty similar. After that, you just need to choose the S&P 500 ETF to buy. So if you search S&P 500 on the search bar, you will see that there are many different providers, many different S&P 500 ETFs listed in different exchanges with different currencies from different providers, different accumulation types. So you might be a bit confused. And when it comes to choosing an S&P 500 ETF, there is no one solution. So you have different solutions for the different types of investors. It depends where you are based, what type of instrument you want. But we have actually compiled a table that you can check in our article where we show you the 4 biggest S&P 500 ETFs available on Trading 212, ranked by their fund size, so by the amount of money that people have invested in them. So you can check it out. And from the 4, we recommend the first 2. And why? Because the fees are low, also because the replication method is physical, and finally because they are the 2 biggest S&P 500 ETFs available in Europe. Besides that, if you want to explore other alternatives, you can just go to Just ETF, which is a big ETF comparison site. You can check different ETFs with different characteristics quoted in different currencies. So it might be interesting to check it out and explore other alternatives. In this specific case, we will choose the first one because it's the biggest one and it's an accumulating ETF, which means that the dividends are distributed inside of the ETFs. They are not distributed to you, which might be good for tax reasons. So we will just choose the first one, just copy the ticker, paste it on the Trading 212 app, and you will find your instrument here. So this one is quoted in euros. If you use a different currency, it might be interesting to explore an ETF quoted in your own currency to avoid paying unnecessary currency conversion fees. And now if you are decided and you want to buy the ETF, you just click the buy button. And here you will have to fill all the order details. So first you need to choose if it's a market order, a limit order, or a stop order. In this case, the market order is the more simple. It will just fill the order at the best available price in the market. The limit order is a bit different. So you can define the price at which you want to buy the ETF. And when the ETF price hits your target price, it will fill the order. So let's say that you put a price of, I don't know, if you put this price, as long as this price matches your target price, it will fill the order. If it never fits your price, it will never be filled. So in our case, we will just go with the market order. And then you just choose the number of shares that you want to buy. So 1 or more shares, it's up to you. You can also choose a value. So if you want a specific value that you want to invest, you can also choose it here. After that, you just have to click review order and buy the ETF. So in our case, we already did that for the article. So you can see after you click review order, you will see a confirmation button saying that the commission is free and giving you some details about the order. And after that, the order is confirmed. So you can see that you bought your share and the price at which you bought. And that's it. After that, you have officially invested in the S&P 500. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any comments or feedback, feel free to drop them in the comments below. And finally, if you want to explore it further and check more details and check our in-depth analysis, you can always come back to our article at Investing in the Web, where we go more in detail about how to buy the ETFs, how to choose the ETFs, the fees that are charged, and more. So I hope you found this video helpful and see you next time.